The rise of aesthetic hobbies in 2025, turning passion into personal brands. In 2025, hobbies are no longer just leisure activities. They've become a central part of identity and self-expression, especially among Gen Z and millennials. With social media acting as a visual diary, aesthetic hobbies that can be beautifully documented and shared are gaining momentum. From journaling to digital illustration, people are using their hobbies to craft their personal narratives online, drawing audiences and even monetizing their pastimes. What was once considered downtime has now evolved into a curated lifestyle choice. This shift is about more than the activity itself. It's about how it fits into a larger story of creativity, mindfulness, and community connection. Whether it's the color palette of your bullet journal or the mood board behind your embroidery pieces, the visual side of these hobbies makes them ideal for fire poster illustrations and podcast storytelling. One of the leading trends is mindful making, creative hobbies that encourage calm, focus, and intentional living. These include things like bullet journaling, calligraphy, candle making, or even the slow craft of hand-binding books. The pandemic-era surge in mental wellness still echoes strongly in 2025. And people are increasingly turning to hobbies that slow down time and reconnect them to their inner world. These hobbies offer tactile satisfaction, low-tech engagement, and the kind of beauty that photographs well, perfect for a podcast episode that tells the story of someone transforming a chaotic life into a harmonious daily rhythm through journaling, while a poster-style visual shows the transition in calming color themes and satisfying layouts. Another rapidly rising hobby area is digital DIY, activities that blend creativity with tech tools but remain fully home-based and image-friendly. Think Procreate sketching, sticker design, custom wallpaper creation, or making printable planners. These hobbies require no physical materials beyond a tablet or laptop, making them accessible and low mess while still feeding the creative urge. They're especially appealing to content creators and remote workers who want to personalize their workspace and workflow. Since all the results are digital, it's easy to turn the output into a shareable portfolio or digital product. These hobbies can be showcased on a podcast with dramatic before and after audio stories. How someone started drawing as a stress relief, then evolved into an Etsy sticker seller, paired with a visual layout of step-by-step creations in neat poster columns. Curated collecting is also exploding in relevance. This is about hobbies that center on gathering, organizing, and displaying beautiful objects. Popular examples include vintage postcard collecting, resin art with preserved flowers, aesthetic shelving arrangements, and collecting rare notebooks or art prints. The key appeal here is the joy of arrangement. There's a therapeutic satisfaction in placing items just so, documenting them, and creating visual harmony in a personal space. These collections are often posted in vibrant flat lays or shelfie shots, offering perfect visual accompaniment for storytelling. A podcast can explore the psychology behind collecting, the emotional connections to the objects, and how curating these pieces helps people build identity or recover from difficult life events. Finally, aesthetic skills for the social era refers to hobbies that double as skill building and portfolio growth, especially in visually striking formats. Examples include learning how to style and photograph food without needing a kitchen shoot, creative writing enhanced with visual poetry, or crafting minimalist home decor with repurposed items. These hobbies feed into the self-education movement, where people seek to learn not just for work, but for the pleasure of being good at something. They turn self-improvement into an art form. A podcast episode could trace the personal growth arc of a hobbyist who went from casual Pinterest browser to home decor influencer, while a visual story breaks their progress into a 4-frame layout. Idea, attempt, improvement, masterpiece. These hobbies look fantastic in posters, where each stage is cleanly illustrated, making them ideal for your format.